Built from the ground up for more demanding conditions, the Titan XD S Crew Cab has four-wheel drive and a 400 horsepower V8 engine, standard. Titan XD S comes in the Crew Cab configuration. Titan XD S is available in 5 exterior colors and comes equipped with 17-inch styled steel wheels. The XD S makes its presence felt with a black grille and bumpers, full-size rear doors, and a 6.5-foot bed. It also adds toughness with a factory-applied spray-on bedliner and a Class 4 tow hitch for towing capability. All the essential comfort and style features are standard on Titan XD S. The interior comes in charcoal cloth with stain-resistant bolsters. It has a 40-20-40 split bench front seat layout with a 60-40 layout in the rear. The vinyl flooring allows for easy cleanup. Keyless access and push-button start come standard, along with cruise control. Forgot something in the back? Titan can help remind you. In terms of tech, Titan XD S has a lot to like. You'll have essential driving info in your line of sight, and there's an 8-inch wide touchscreen display in the center to your right. Apple CarPlay integration and Android Auto come standard, as do USB ports and Bluetooth. It's not easy to find a truck with this much standard driver assistance technology, which can warn you of danger ahead and can also step in to help you avoid colliding with pedestrians. Titan can also help you stay in your lane and let you know if a vehicle is detected in your blind spot. There's tech that can help you avoid colliding with other vehicles and detected stationary objects when backing up. Titan XD S can turn on your high beams when you need them and turn them off when you don't. It can detect if drivers might be getting drowsy and alert them with a chime and a reminder to take a break. There's even tech that can help you get started on a steep hill, and tech that can help control trailer sway when towing. The heavy-duty GVWR package provides the best overall hauling and towing performance for the Titan XD.